I will show after creating database and table how to insert values into table rows in SQL Server Management Studio. Please like and subscribe. Let's start. Go to Start menu and write SQL Server Management Studio. Click on it. So this will open the SQL Server Management Studio. Click on Connect. In the previous video, I showed how to create database and table. Please see the link in description box. We created learning database and employees table. From the top open file, I will open the SQL Server save file to work on it. Insert data into table. Syntax for values into table. Insert into table underscore name. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Values, value 1, value 2, value 3. First I need to write insert into table name employees. It has a 5 columns, so I will add those column names first. Name first and then put the values into the rows. EMP underscore ID, comma. First underscore name, comma. Last underscore name, comma. Job underscore name, comma. Salary. And then add values into the first rows. For EMP underscore ID column, add values 101, comma, then write first name is Bob, comma, and last name David, comma. Job name marketing specialist. Remember to put the string values into quotation mark. Then add the salary column values. $3,000. Select the query and execute from the top. From the message, it showed 1 row affected. So if you want to add more values, you can do it. I will insert 2 more rows here. Select and execute from the message box. You will see 2 rows affected here. And right here, table name is employees. Execute from top. You will see table employees with column name and rows has been created here. The values added into corresponding column and rows into employees table. So this is the very easy way to add values in your table. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I will add more SQL Server video. See you on next tutorial.